Hello, welcome to OnPrintShop. This video is about virtual block templates. In this video, we will see how to create virtual blocks. So we are considering that you have already watched the video of how to create PDF block template. So what does virtual block means? Like once you have created the PDF block template in Adobe Acrobat, so the created block, the single created block, we can split into two or more parts virtually. Then it helps, the virtual block helps in alignment, horizontal alignment as well. And the syntax of virtual block is curly braces, straight line, straight line, and curly braces. So that's it. Now let us see how to create virtual block. So we are just going into the, so here is the example which we have created last video, this template where there is a name. This one is the designation. Then here you can see there are three things: city, state, and zip code. So we have just taken all these three things into one single block. But generally, if you want to create it, or if you want to split it into three parts, then there is a phone. So you can see there is a phone text mentioned, then there is a phone number, fax, and cell. So what we are going to do, we are going to create virtual blocks and we'll split it in all these blocks into different blocks. So for that, just go in admin, just go to the templates, PDF block template, and here is the our template which we have imported. Click on action, go to the manage blocks. So here you can see all the virtual block. So just suppose we have to create virtual blocks for this city, state, and zip code. So I have already shown you the syntax. So what we will do, we will just take it as a curly braces, straight line, then straight line and curly braces. So this will automatically convert into one virtual block. Same way we will create it for state, this one, and in the same way we will create it for zip code as well at the end. So now there is one more thing. Let's say if we will create the same name of the virtual block, so it might get confused like what to put. So instead of this Brooklyn, what we can do, we can put it as a city. So our block name will be very clear. Then we can change it to the state, and we can change this to zip code. Okay, as we will click on save button, these three blocks will be aligned over here with the three different blocks. Let's say if I click on save button, as I will click on save button, you will be able to see three different blocks. So here we have created this one, and here you can see city, state, and zip. So here it was Brooklyn, then it was NJ, and it was 38596. As you will do this, just click on save button. So here you can see Brooklyn, NJ, and 3895. Now, if you go at front store and refresh this page, so here you can see Brooklyn, NY, and NG. So here is the Brooklyn, then NY, and the code. So here you can easily create the three different blocks with the, you can easily convert one single block into three different blocks. In the same way, you just need to create the phone one, fax one, and cell one. Also, there is one more thing. Let's say if someone is not filling any, leaving any field. Let's say if the one person is not filling the zip code field, so it will automatically align horizontally. So you don't need to align it manually. So wherever there is a space blank, that the previous or next text will take place automatically. If you have any queries and concern regarding this video, please connect with us at support@onprintshop.com. Thank you.